Did you know that fish completely change color as you dive deeper into the ocean? Young Nemo the narwhal discovered this amazing secret during his first deep dive with friends, Stella the starfish and Coral the crab. At the surface, everything glowed bright and colorful under the warm sunlight, but as they descended into the twilight zone, the world transformed into something magical. Jellyfish began glowing like living lanterns, creating their own light in the darkness. Deeper still, in the midnight zone, giant squids lurked in complete blackness. These creatures had developed massive eyes to catch even the tiniest spark of light. At the ocean floor, something incredible waited for them. Underwater volcanic vents shot scalding water into the freezing depths. Around these vents, entire cities of life thrived without any sunlight at all. Tube worms as tall as trees and ghostly white crabs covered the seafloor. Life had found a way to survive in the most impossible conditions. The ocean's greatest secret was that life adapts everywhere, even in places where nothing should survive.